Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I will show you how to download and install Ubuntu DDE. So let's get started. So to install Ubuntu DDE, first we have to download that operating system. So let us download that. So to download this operating system, we have to go to our browser and then we have to go to their official website. And this is their official website. So first let us discuss that what is Ubuntu DDE. So basically Ubuntu DDE is an operating system in which the backend part is by Ubuntu, means all the backend of this operating system is taken by Ubuntu operating system, and the front end, which means the UI part of this operating system, is inspired by DeepIn desktop. So if you will see the screenshot of this operating system, you will notice that it is similar to DeepIn OS, because it is inspired by DeepIn OS in terms of UI and animations, and for backend part they have used Ubuntu backend. And you all know, like, Ubuntu operating system is one of the most famous operating system in the world of Linux. So to download this operating system, we have to go to their download section, and there we will see that we have 3 versions, which is 20.04, 20.10 and 21.04. So here in this video I will download the latest version of this operating system. So here are the links to download. You can click any one link to download. So let me click here, and here you can see that my download is now started. So I will be back to you once the download is completed. So here you can see that the download is now completed, and I am here in my downloads folder, and here is the ISO file of Ubuntu DDE 21.04. So now we will install this operating system. So I am using VMware to install this operating system. By the way, if you want to see how to download and install VMware, then you can go to the I section of this video. And to make a new virtual machine, I will select the first option, and here I will select the ISO file which we downloaded just now. And here also we can see that Ubuntu, it is showing like Ubuntu 64-bit has been detected, because this operating system is based on Ubuntu only. So nothing to do here. Now we have to click next. We have to give some details here, so let me fill that. So after filling the details, again I will click next, and here we have to give the virtual machine a name. So I will give it Ubuntu DDE 21.04, and here we can choose the location of the virtual machine. So for me, I will choose the default location only. So again I will click on next, and here it is asking me for hard disk size. So let it be 20 GB only, and here I will select the first option, and again I will click on next, and now I will click on customize hardware, and here I will increase my RAM size to 4 GB, and here I will choose 6. You can set this value according to your PC. And once it is done, we have to click on close, and after that I will click on finish. And here we can see that it has start booting. Let me change this to full screen. So here, because I am using VMware, so it is asking me to choose effect mode or normal mode. So I will choose normal mode only. And here you can see that now the operating system is started. And first let me change the display setting. So to install this, I will click here, and here I will click next. Here I will choose my location, and again I will click on next, and here we have to choose our keyboard. And after choosing your keyboard layout, again click on next, and here we have to select the first option, and then we have to click on next, and here it is asking for some details, so let me fill that, and again I will click on next, and once all is done we have to click on install, and again we have to click on install now. So here we can see that it has started installing, and I will be back to you once the installation is completed. So guys, after my installation was complete, then it asked me to start my system again, and I have started my system. So let's log in to our Ubuntu DDE. So here I am entering the password which I have set up during the installation time, and here you can see that now we have successfully logged into our system. And let me change this to full screen, and let me change the resolution here. So here you can see that our system is now installed successfully, and it is looking so beautiful. So that's all for today's video, and in the future video we will discuss all the features of our Ubuntu DDE. So for that, make sure to subscribe this channel, and if you have any question you can comment below. And thanks for watching this video till now.